Hello everyone, today we will study about stock exchange. In this video, we will discuss about the stock exchange functions and role of the stock exchange. Listing of securities will be done in the next video. Today, we will start with the introduction of the stock exchange. So, stock exchange is the major part of the capital market. In stock exchange, we will buy and sell the financial tools during the specific hours of any business day while adhering to the SEBI's well-defined guidelines. What is SEBI? SEBI is the regulatory body and it stands for Securities and Exchange Board of India. Stocks are listed in the stock exchanges, but few stocks which are not listed in the stock exchanges are traded in the over the counter market. But their esteem is not high. Means people does not trust in those securities which are not listed. So let's start with the secondary market. Secondary market is the market in which existing securities are traded. They are purchased and sold. So the market where old or the existing securities are traded is called secondary market. And what is stock exchange? Stock exchange refers to an association, organization, or body of individuals established for the purpose of assisting, regulating, and controlling the business of buying, selling, and issuance of the securities. We can say stock exchange is the secure place to trade in a systematic way. The different securities which are traded in this market are shares, scrips, stocks, bonds, and debentures. So, stock exchange is the trading place to buy and sell the stocks. Today, all stock exchanges are almost converted into floorless trading or the electronic trading. Nasdaq was the first electronic exchange. So any company who want to raise the capital in the secondary market can raise through an IPO. What is IPO? Initial public offering, that I've already discussed in my previous video. I will put the link in the description box. In India, two reputed stock exchanges are BSE and NSE. BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange, called Sensex. Here, the index is prepared on the basis of top 30 companies. And NSE means National Stock Exchange. Nifty. Here, the index is prepared on the basis of top 50 companies. So let's discuss some important feature of stock exchange. First of all, the securities of the government, corporate, semi-government companies are bought and sold in the stock exchange. It is the market for the second-hand securities. As I told you, it is a secondary market where existing securities are traded. It means second-hand securities are traded. Regulate trade in securities through the broker and the exchange members. Dealing is done only in the listed or the registered securities. Listing of securities we will discuss in the next video. Basically, listing is the admission of the securities in the stock exchange, or we can say inclusion of the securities in the list of any stock exchange. So, next feature is only authorized brokers and members can do the transaction. It is recognized by the central government. It is the measuring device of the growth and securities of the business, and it operates as per the rules and regulation of the SEBI guidelines. SEBI stands for Securities and Exchange Board of India. It is the apex institution which regulates the capital market. Now, we will discuss about the different functions of the stock exchange. First of all, it provides liquidity and marketability to the securities. Liquidity means the investor can convert their investments into the cash. So, it provides the platform where investor can convert its investment into the cash easily. Next, marketability means you can easily buy and sold the shares. Safety of funds. Here, the all dealings are done under or as per the rules and regulation of the SEBI guidelines. So, your fund is safe, comparatively safe. It is not risk free, but your fund is comparatively safe because of the rules and regulation. All companies has to follow the strict rules and regulation of SEBI, otherwise SEBI will delist or blacklist those companies. It is the place where the long term funds can be easily supplied to the companies. Here, the flow of capital is towards the profitable ventures, and it provides the motivation for the improved performance of the companies, because any company whose performance is improved will put a better or a good impact on the investor, and many investors will be available for the investment in that particular company only and only if their performance is improved. So if the performance is improved, you will get so many investors in this market. It also promote the investments, means this market promote the individuals to invest their surplus money so that the companies will get the long term capital for their companies. Last point is marketing of new issue. The secondary market or the capital market is the best place to market the new issues. If your company has a good reputation in the market, then definitely you will get the good new issues. You will get the good subscription of the new issues. I hope you all are able to understand now what are the different functions of the stock exchange. Now we will go through the role of the stock exchange. So first, mobilization of the saving. So stock exchange helps in mobilizing the savings from the person who are having the surplus money to the company or to the person who really wants the money. So the money will be flown from the lenders towards the borrowers. Second point, it accelerates the capital formation. Definitely, this is the market where capital can be formed easily for the profit making companies. So, the companies are able to raise the fresh capital from this equity market, and stock market helps in the better allocation of the capital for the investors so that the maximum profit can be earned. Third point is proper channelization of the funds. Your funds are properly channelized to different companies who require the money. So there are so many companies whose shares are listed on the stock exchange, and your fund will be channelized to the different companies who really require the money for the different functions. Next function is promotion of industrial growth. Stock exchange provide a important platform to raise the capital. So when any industry is able to raise the capital, it is promoting its own growth as well as the growth of the other industries. So stock exchange always promotes the growth of the industrial base in the country. It also helps in raising the long-term capital for the government as well as corporates. It is the ready and the continuous market where securities can be traded at any time within the business hour. So you can readily sell and purchase the securities. It also plays an role of economic barometer, means it is the indicator of the uh, economic status, that what are the major and minor changes that are taking place in the share prices are recorded at the stock exchange. So it also acts as a barometer of the economy. Last point is it also contribute in the economic growth because it offers a platform for trading of the securities of the various companies. This process of trading involves continuous disinvestment and reinvestment, which offers the opportunity for the capital formation and subsequently contributes in the growth of the economy. So in this way, stock exchange plays very vital or important role in the economy. So in this video, we have covered what is stock exchange, what are the features of a stock exchange, what are the functions and role of the stock exchange in any country or in any economy. I hope you all are able to understand the basics of the stock exchange. So in my next video, we will discuss about the listing of securities. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, any comment, if you want to know anything, you can simply put the comment in the comment box. Thank you so much for today.